Turn your head this way. There we go. Good.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
That was crazy.
Let's go straight down. Oh, beautiful. So just kind of, there we go. Nice. Good. Yeah, when that rib cage shifts, it's definitely not a good thing.
Yeah.
That was easy. Oh. That was crazy. I barely did anything. All right. Relax. Oh, that was deep down in there.
I heard it through
I
every
know.
part of my
Sometimes
body.
you feel it all the way to your feet.
Yes.
All right. Got to get down low here. Just relax. Woo.
Oh.
Wow. People that don't get adjusted.
Oh, jeez.
That was loud. Yeah, that range of motion in the shoulder is always good to work on these muscles back here.
My scaps?
Yep. It's all part of the shoulder girdle.
That is where I'm the most weakest right now.
Two.
Oh, that
posterior delt right
yep,
there.
that's spot
That made
too.
you stutter right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know the spots. Both of those.
Yeah, you got a lot of nerves back here. There's a lot of the muscles cross of the lat and the teres major and minor, and there's a space called the quadrangular space where a bunch of the nerves come out.
Yeah.
They can get kinked up in here.
This feels amazing right now.
What you think?
I guess this is like my third time here with John. It has elevated my experience here. Even I'm taking PT, he's really taught me like what's wrong with my spine and really elevated my recovery experience here at Repair.